Finding a video you watched on Facebook hours or days ago is something millions of users struggle with every single day. But Facebook gives you multiple ways to access your complete watch history. Whether you watched a video on your phone, tablet, or computer, Facebook keeps a detailed record of everything you have viewed through its watch platform. Knowing exactly where to find this history saves you from endlessly scrolling your feed, hoping the algorithm shows you the same video again. There are several methods available for finding your Facebook watch history. Each one works slightly differently depending on your device and how you prefer to navigate. The most direct method is through the Facebook Watch section, available on both the mobile app and the desktop website. Open the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone and tap the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines icon, to access the full Facebook navigation menu. Scroll through the hamburger menu until you find the watch option. Tap it to open the dedicated Facebook video platform. Inside Facebook Watch, look for the History or Recently Watched section. This is where Facebook stores your chronological video viewing record. Your watch history displays video thumbnails, titles, the pages or profiles that posted them, and the approximate time you watched each one. Tap any video from your history to re-watch it immediately. The video loads directly from the history list without any searching required. The second and most comprehensive method for finding watched videos is through your Facebook activity log. Navigate to Settings and Privacy through the hamburger menu, then tap Settings to access your full account settings page. Look for your Facebook information in the Settings menu and tap it. Then select Activity Log to open your complete account activity record. The activity log is a powerful tool that records every action you have taken on Facebook, including every video you have ever watched on the platform. Use the filter feature at the top of the activity log to narrow down your history. Select videos watched to see only your video viewing activity. The filtered video watch history shows every Facebook video you have watched in reverse chronological order, making it easy to find even older viewed content. You can scroll back through weeks or even months of watch history in the activity log, making it the most thorough option for finding older viewed videos. Tap any video entry in the activity log to open the video details page, where you can rewatch it or share it with others. Desktop users can access their Facebook watch history through the watch icon in the left navigation menu on the Facebook website. The desktop version of Facebook Watch History displays your viewed videos in a clean grid layout, easier to visually browse than the mobile list format. Hover over any video in your desktop watch history for additional options, including watching again or removing the video from your history permanently. Facebook also allows you to clear your entire watch history at once, useful for privacy or simply starting fresh with a clean viewing record. Find the Clear Watch History button at the top of your watch history page and tap it. Confirming the action removes all entries from your record. For removing individual videos rather than clearing everything, tap the three-dot menu beside any specific video entry and select Remove from Watch History. Managing your watch history privacy is important. Navigate to your Facebook privacy settings to ensure your activity is only visible to yourself. Setting your watch history and activity visibility to only me ensures that no one else can see what videos you have been watching on Facebook. The Continue Watching section within Facebook Watch shows any videos you started but did not finish. Tap them to resume from your exact stopping point. The Saved Videos section is separate from watch history. It stores videos you deliberately bookmark to watch later rather than videos you have already viewed. Use the search function within your activity log to find specific videos faster. Typing keywords related to the video content returns targeted results quickly. With these methods fully understood, you will never lose track of a Facebook video again. Your complete watch history is always just a few taps away whenever you need it.